This video will cover UnForm implementation options for CloudSuite distribution and IDM.
UnForm's completely browser-based end-to-end solution for CSD begins as documents are printed. Forms configured to use the XML format 4 are delivered either via CirrusPrint or the Enterprise connector to the UnForm print management and e-delivery application, where rule files convert the XML to professional-looking documents while retaining advanced print functions, including tray control, duplex printing, and dynamics forms based on print content. Advanced e-delivery functions available for both email and fax includes forms delivery bundling, such as PODs delivered with invoices, invoices delivered with statements, and product information delivered with quotes or pick tickets. Upon print, both UnForm formatted documents and documents that do not require formatting are delivered via CirrusPrint to the target device. Devices include printers, mobile devices, desktops, and directories. Note that CirrusPrint does not require email-capable printers or subscriptions to third-party data centers, ensuring complete control of your print data with full logging and tracking of the entire printing process while preventing third-party data mining. The print process also submits documents to UnForm Archive. From there, APIs deliver the documents and appropriate attributes to IDM. In addition to being available in IDM, documents are also available in the UnForm Archive and can be retrieved from CSD inquiries via UnForm Chrome web extensions, which provide access to all documents related to the transaction with the click of a button. UnForm Image Manager automates the document capture process. As documents arrive, monitored email addresses and directories submit the documents to Image Manager. Then Image Manager job definitions detect, identify, and extract index and attribute data utilizing a variety of tools, including PDF text extraction, optical character recognition, barcode recognition, data lookups and validations, and of course, manual data entry. Once processed, documents are submitted to UnForm Archive, where APIs deliver those documents and the appropriate attributes to IDM. Additionally, Image Manager jobs can extract line detail from documents and use that data to create electronic transactions to automate data entry. In a typical example, AP invoice data is captured and validated. The invoice bot is generated and then submitted to AP Invoice Center. Inbound custom POs is another example of a process that can be automated to reduce data entry. Completely browser-based for deployment in either the cloud or on-premise, UnForm version 10 automates the capture of documents and the data they contain and provides the capability to add documents to UnForm Archive and to IDM. Image Manager is the UnForm component used to capture documents from either external sources or documents that were internally generated and had value added after the fact, such as signatures and notes. The document capture automation begins with inbound sources. An inbound source is monitored and can be an email address or a directory. As email is received and as documents are either scanned or dragged and dropped into the source, Image Manager jobs determine what the document is, who sent it, and what data is required for index information and for the creation of IDM attributes used to process and store the document. Job definitions define the capture process. Detection logic is used to identify the sender and what type of document it is. Data fields define the data elements to be captured for indexing the creation of IDM attributes. Zones identify where data field is on the document and can be adjusted very easily. And parameters provide the flexibility to add additional data and to define additional processing steps if needed. Note that the auto transfer flag is currently off for demonstration purposes. If set to on, documents that pass validation would automatically be uploaded into IDM. Also note that parameters are used to define other options for the document. In this case, this document can actually create the invoice bod used to be automatically imported into AP Invoice Center. In these examples, the documents were picked up as they were emailed, and you'll note that they are checked as ready. If the parameter to auto transfer was on, these documents would have been automatically uploaded into IDM and into the UnForm Archive. Here you can see the document was pushed into IDM along with the attributes required. And in this example, the data from those invoices was also pushed into AP Invoice Center, resulting in the automation of the data entry of those particular invoices. In addition to the ability to use UnForm Image Manager to add documents to UnForm and IDM, UnForm Print Management also can add documents generated through UnForm to IDM. UnForm Print Management provides advanced printing capabilities for print routines, including dynamic documents based on the content, duplex capability, tray control, full error logging, and all the other advanced printing functions that you're used to using with UnForm. As the documents are generated through UnForm, they are delivered to printers, email, or fax, while simultaneously sending a copy to IDM. So we can see if we submit print job, that document gets loaded into IDM, available in the in-context app, and you'll also see within here that purchase order is also loaded up and ready to go. So again, Image Manager is used to bring external documents, vendor invoices, packing slips, signed proof of deliveries, HR paperwork, credit apps, all those kinds of documents can be brought in via Image Manager into IDM. And in addition to that, documents that are generated through UnForm Print Management, not in addition to being printed, emailed, or faxed, are automatically pushed into IDM as well. Competitively priced, UnForm provides proven solutions with advanced capabilities. Continuous development efforts ensures an ongoing ROI and that functionality keeps pace as technology evolves.
Thank you for your time. For additional information, please contact Paul Buchel. Email is paulb@synergetic-data.com or phone 530-927-5805.